Hello, welcome to Apple Insights. Before I start the video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So you've decided to treat yourself to a new smartwatch, but you're not sure which one to pick. Should you go for Apple's Series 9 or the Ultra 2? They are both amazing smartwatches and both the freshest versions of proven wearable technology on the market right now. But they might not be worth the upgrade for everyone. Here are some of the key features and considerations to weigh before making the purchase. The primary distinguishing features between the Series 9 and Ultra 2 lie in their designs and materials. The Series 9 features an aluminum case and a glass screen, while the more advanced Ultra 2 is made with a stronger titanium case and a sapphire crystal screen. The Apple Watch Series 9 comes in two case sizes, 45mm and 41mm. The 45mm case size is equivalent to about 1.7-inch screen, while the 41mm case size is equivalent to about 1.6-inch screen. The Ultra 2 has a 1.9-inch screen that is brighter than the Series 9 screen. The Series 9 has a screen that is less bright, with 500 nits, while the Ultra 2 has a screen that is very bright, with 1000 nits. The Apple Watch Series 9 has an 18-hour all-day battery life, meaning with average use, your smartwatch should need to be charged once daily. The Apple Watch Series 9 also has a low-power mode that extends the battery life up to 36 hours by disabling certain battery-draining features. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 has a 36-hour battery life with normal use, which is twice as long as the Apple Watch Series 9. It also has a low-power mode that can extend the battery life up to 72 hours, which is 12 hours more than the original Apple Watch Ultra. People often ask me why you'd want to put your watch in low-power mode. Quite simply, it is to save battery life when your own life has taken you away from recharging. If you decide to go camping or on a long hike, you'd want to enable low power mode to make sure you have the ability to send an SOS or prolong the battery well after you plan to return. Apple's recent software update, watchOS 10.1, has introduced an exciting new feature to both the Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2, the double tap gesture. This allows users to control their smartwatch without touching the screen, using only a simple double tap of their index finger and thumb together. Also, the Ultra 2 has an action button. That's a special feature that lets you customize and access some of your favorite functions with just a press. For example, you can use the action button to start a workout, turn on the flashlight, or launch a shortcut. You can set up the action button in the Settings app on your Apple Watch or on your iPhone. The action button is located on the left side of the watch case and has an orange color. It's a handy way to make the most of your Apple Watch Ultra. In addition, the Ultra 2 has a water temperature sensor, a depth gauge, and a dive computer app that can help divers track their underwater activities. Furthermore, the Ultra 2 and Series 9 have access to night mode for low visibility conditions. In terms of pricing, the Ultra 2 retails beginning at $799, contrasting with the Series 9's $399 starting price tag. Stay plugged into the Apple world. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notifications bell so you never miss an update. For all things Apple, leaks, and news, we've got you covered, and we'll catch you in the next video.